Top 8 cars that are cheap to maintain. Number 8. Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma is a well-built truck that doesn't cost much. Both new and years down the line, it's one of their best examples, with second generation being latest model year so far, as mid-size pickup trucks go under this brand name, known for quality build material used in construction processes, rather than just cheap plastic, like you'll find on some other makes out there these days. This vehicle was Motor Trend's 2005 Truck of the Year, which tells us how popular these models can be even among non-enthusiasts who want something reliable around town or when going off-road. Number 7. Volvo C30. The Volvo C30 is a two-door, front-engine compact hatchback that came out in 2006. It has been around for 10 years and can be found mostly on premium shelves because of its durability compared to other cars at the time, such as Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic, which were more affordable but didn't last nearly as long before they needed repairs, costing much less money than what you would spend getting your car fixed by someone who knows exactly where everything goes. The interior design inside this vehicle makes me feel like royalty while driving down any street, especially if there are lights shining upon us due night sky behind them, giving off an even brighter glow, making every detail stand. Number 6. Honda CR-V. Honda has always been a leader when it comes to affordable cars. With their legacy of cheap repair costs and infrequent trips, they are an excellent choice for those who want something reliable but don't have the money. The newest model on this list is perfect because not only does its MSRP make CR-V's prices accessible by most budgets, McDonald's Happy Meal included, this vehicle also retains classic looks that will never go out of style, paired perfectly worth any personal accessories or attire, even if you're going dirt biking later today. The Honda CR-V has been around since 1995, and it's a popular vehicle with its sleek SUV body design. The Japanese automaker introduced this car in North America back when they were still known as Civic vehicles, which have come to mean something different now because of how many other makes use them under the hood, or rather engine. No matter what kind you drive though, whether small or big, compact runabout vehicles are always comfortable. Number 5. Kia Soul. If you're looking for an affordable, small car that gets great gas mileage and doesn't look like something from the early 2000s, then your best bet might just be this little Soul. With its low cost of ownership plus easy maintenance requirements, because who has time? It's hard not to love about these things. The Kia Soul is a small, yet versatile SUV that can be used for all your errands. With its crisp exterior and comfortable interior design elements such as leather seats or an update radio system with navigation capabilities, this vehicle will have you feeling luxurious while driving around town. The latest generation of the popular car has been released at Paris Motor Show 2014. It offers many improvements over previous models, including more efficient fuel consumption rates due to better engine optimization software, which also helps save gas prices when commuting long distances during rush hour traffic conditions, since now drivers don't need fill up so often anymore. Number 4. Lexus SC300. The Lexus SC300 is an amazing vehicle for those who want a powerful, durable car that won't break the bank. It has been known as both the Toyota Soarer and rebadged with American logos to compete against other large SUVs on our roads today, like Hummer H2 or Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8. The 2JZ engine resides within this sport ute, which means you're getting all of their durability without having too many shiny exterior parts reflect sunlight back into drivers' eyes at high speeds. The Lexus South Carolina has been a popular vehicle for those who enjoy luxury and power. It started out as an option to be included in the Japanese market, but eventually became available worldwide through different channels like dealership networks or private label dealerships, which sell cars without badges, qualifying them under any brand name. However, you can always spot one if it's driven by someone hefty with cash, because they're asking $30K more than what most people would pay. The first generation models came equipped standard on both V8-powered 400 horsepower monsters 1991-2000 before expanding into lower-priced trims like i6, fueled 300-plus horsepower options at around 21st century prices. Number 3. Honda Civic. Honda has been a staple in the car industry for years, and their most popular model is still going strong. The Civic was launched way back when with only 2 features: blind spot detection system or hill holder assist handle, but now you can add CVT transmissions if you're looking to purchase one. With all these great qualities, why would anyone want anything else? The Civic has been Honda's best-selling model since it was launched in 1972. From 2000 to 2011, the car occupied a range of classes from subcompact to compact, with its most recent update being put into production for international markets as well, where they serve both old and new names like Orthia. Number 2. Toyota Avalon. Just as with the Toyota Tacoma, which was an excellent vehicle before it became better and more luxurious, the new Avalons also offer high-tech features that give drivers peace of mind when on their way to work or running errands in town. Not only will they have all eyes upon them, because people know what a quality product you're driving, but any problems can easily be taken care by kitting out your ride with some top-notch technology from this trusted brand name. Number 1. Mazda MX5, NA, North Dakota. If there was one car that could be considered the perfect blend of track and street, it would have to be a Mazda Miata. With their lightweight chassis 4-cylinder engine paired up with an extremely efficient motor, they make for some pretty incredible cars. The list doesn't stop here, though, because we all know how much variety rechargeable battery technology has brought into our lives as well, whether it's in phones or watches or other devices. So next time you're looking at your wristwatch, give yourself a hand by getting yourself one made out these high-quality quartz crystals. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe